हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है विजन आईएएस के प्रिलिमिनरी टेस्ट सीरीज 3 के पार्ट 1 में। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो। द क्रेडिट ऑफ दिस वीडियो गोज टू विजन आईएएस। विजन आईएएस पीटी 2021 टेस्ट 3। द सब्जेक्ट इज ज्योग्राफी। दिस इज द syllabus and this is the references which Vision IAS take for making this question. In this video, the first question is, consider the following: the sun, the moon and the earth are in a straight line. Moon's orbit is closest to the earth. The tidal range is greater than normal. The above given condition defines which of the following tides: A. Apogeian spring tides, Perihelion spring tides, Phrygian spring tides, Epsilon spring tides. The correct answer of question 1 is C. Phrygian spring tides. First, what is tides? Tides is a periodical rise and fall of sea level once or twice a day. The main reason is attraction of sun and moon is called a tide. The moon's gravitational pull to a great extent and to a lesser extent the sun gravitational pull are the major cause of occurrence of tides. The next question is question number 2. Which of the following is a favorable condition for the faster decomposition of the organic matter in a soil? First, lack of oxygen, detritus rich in nitrogenous substances, cold temperatures. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 2 is A. 2 only. Detritus rich in nitrogenous substances. The next question is question number 3. Which of the following are the components of Bharatmala Pariyojana? Development of economic corridor, development of border and international connectivity roads, development of port connectivity roads, development of expressways. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 3 is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. Bharatmala Pariyojana, it is an umbrella project for the highways sector with phase 1 from 2017 to 2022. Bharatmala Pariyojana contains 6 components. The one is economic corridors development, inter-corridor and feeder roads, national corridor efficiency improvements, border and international connectivity roads, coastal and port connectivity roads, and expressways. The next question is question number 4. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the igneous rocks? They can form beneath as well on the surface of the earth. They are devoid of fossils. They are quartzite and granite are igneous rocks. The correct answer of question number 4 is A. 1 and 2 only. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form out of magma and lava from the interior of the earth. So, they are known as primary rocks. Next question is question number 5. Consider the following statement regarding the periodic labor force survey. It aims to provide labor and employment data for both urban and rural area. It is conducted by the National Statistical Office. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 5 is C. both 1 and 2. Recently, the National Statistical Office (NSO) released the periodic labor force survey for July 2018 to June 2019. The next question is question number 6. These cool temperate western margins are under the permanent influence of the westerlies all round the year. There are also regions of much cyclonic activity. Summers are never very warm here. The natural vegetation of this climatic type is a deciduous forest like oak, elm, ash, birch, beech, poplars and hornbeam. Which of the following climatic types is described in the passage given below? The options are Mediterranean climate, British type climate, steppe climate, natal climate. The correct answer of question number 6 is B. British type climate. The cool temperate western margin British type climate are the cool temperate western margin. British type climate is cool temperate western margin climate. The cool temperate western margins are the under permanent influence of westerlies all round the year. There are also regions of much cyclonic activity. And type cyclonic activity typical of Britain and are hence named British type of climate. The next question is question number 7. Which of the following correctly describes the phenomena of break in the monsoon? The options are for the correct answer of question number 7 is B. When rain fails to occur for 1 or more weeks during the southwest monsoon period after having rains for a few days. What is break or burst of the monsoon? The rain in the southwest monsoon season begins rather abruptly. One result of the first rain is that bring down the temperature substantially. This sudden onset of the moisture-laden winds associated with violent thunder and lightning is often termed as break or burst of the monsoon. The next question is question number 8. Which of the following evidence supports the continental drift theory proposed by Alfred Wegener? Jigsaw fit of South American and African coastlines. The occurrence of rich placer deposits of gold in the Ghana coast despite the absence of source rocks. Distribution of identical fossils across ocean. The correct answer of question number 8 is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 9. Consider the following statement with respect to ocean trenches. They are located along divergent plate boundaries. They are associated with active volcanoes and strong earthquakes. Tonga Trench and Mariana Trench are located in the Pacific Ocean. The correct answer of question number 9 is C. 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 10. Consider the following statement regarding latitudes and longitudes. Latitude is measured as the angular distance of a point on the Earth's surface north or south of the equator. Both the latitude and the longitude of a places are measured from the center of the Earth. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 10 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 11. With reference to the type of mountains, consider the following statements. Fault mountain involve both the compression and tension of the Earth's crust, while fault mountain involves mainly compression. The Andes is an example of fault mountains, whereas the Vosges is an example of fault mountains. The correct answer of question number 11 is A, one only. Fault mountain involves both the compression and tensions of the Earth's crust, while fault mountain involves mainly compression. The next question is question number 12. In the context of geomorphology, the term playas refer to. The correct answer of question number 12 is A. Shallow lakes in the depression of the plains found in desert region. Plains are by far the most prominent landforms in the desert. In basins with mountains and hills around and along, the drainage is towards the center of the basin, and due to gradual deposition of sediment from the basin margin, a nearly level plain forms at the center of the basin. The next question number is 13. Which of the following statements is correct with reference to the western disturbance? They are shallow cyclonic depressions originating over the eastern Mediterranean Sea. Their arrival in India is characterized by a sudden drop in the prevailing night temperature. It is highly beneficial for rabi crops in North India. The correct answer of question number 13 is C, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 14. With reference to the Earth's gravity, consider the following statement. It is influenced by the distribution of mass of material within the Earth. It is greater near the poles than at the equator. The correct answer of question number 14 is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The gravitation force G is not same at different latitudes on the surface. It is greater near the poles and less at equator. This is because of the distance from the center at the equator and poles. The distance from the center at the equator being greater than the poles. The next question is question number 15. Which of the following is a proof of the sphericity of the Earth? Possible circumnavigation of the Earth without a steep fall, different times of sunrise and sunset at different places on Earth, shape of Earth's shadow during a lunar eclipse. The correct answer of question number 15 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 16. Consider the following landforms: stalagmites, sinkholes, ovals, lakees. Which of the landforms given above are erosional landforms formed by the action of groundwater? The correct answer of question number 16 is C. 2, 3 and 4 only. The next question is question number 17. With reference to river Luni, which of the following statement is correct? The correct answer of question number 17 is A. It is formed by two streams, the Saraswati and Sabarmati. Luni is the largest river system of Rajasthan. Largest river system. West of this is the Aravali, and at west of this is the river Luni. It originates near Pushkar in two branches, that is Saraswati and Sabarmati, which joins with each other at Govindgarh. This is the Govindgarh. From here, the rivers come out of Aravali is known as Luni. The next question is question number 18. Consider the following statement. While a lunar eclipse can occur twice a year, a solar eclipse occurs only once a year. A solar eclipse always takes place on the summer solstice of northern hemisphere. The correct answer of question number 18 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 19. The Western Ghats are locally known by different names. In this context, consider the following pairs: local name and region. The correct answer of question number 19 is A. 1 and 2 only are correct. Sahyadri in Maharashtra, Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu. Anayamudi is the highest peak peninsular plateau is located in the Anamalai Hills of the Western Ghats, followed by Doda Betta of the Nilgiri Hills. The next question is question number 20. Which of the following statement is correct in the context of the Lakshadweep island? The correct answer of question number 20 is A. The entire island group is built of coral deposits. The next question is question number 21. With reference to longitudes and standard time zones, consider the following statement. The entire world is divided into 15 time zones. All countries have adopted their standard time from the central meridian of their countries. The correct answer of question number 21 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 22. Which of the following are the effects of the Himalayan mountains on Indian climate? It protects the subcontinent from the cold northern winds. It traps the monsoon winds, forcing them to set their moisture within the subcontinent. It creates different air pressure zones, causing a reversal in the direction of monsoon winds. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 22 is A. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 23. In the context of Indian geography, Kauravas are. The correct answer of question number 23 is A. Thick deposits of glacial clay and other material found in Kashmir, Himalayas. The next question is question number 24. It is a unique rice variety in coastal area of Allapuzha, Ernakulam and Thrissur district. The saltwater resistant variety grows tall, flourishes under flood-like condition and grows entirely on leftovers from half a year of fish culture in fields. The cycle is called one fish and one rice, in which fish is grown up to April 15, after which fields are drained before the first bout of rains get them rid of salt. The season goes up to October, when they are brought under the fish culture again. Which of the following varieties of rice is being described in above passage? The correct answer of question number 24 is A. Pokali. Recently, it was reported that the early Pokali rice cultivation season looks to have taken a beating with COVID-19 lockdown, preventing timely field preparation even as the monsoon season appears to have set in. The next question is question number 25. Consider the following statement. The rivers that existed before the upheaval of the Himalayas and cut their courses southward by making gorges in the mountains are known as the superimposed rivers. The rivers which follow the general direction of the slope are known as the consequent rivers. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 25 is B. 2 only. The rivers which follow the general direction of the slope are known as consequent rivers. The next question is question number 26. With reference to the structure of the earth, consider the following statements. The outer core is in a liquid state while the inner core is in solid state. The outer core is the main source of magma that finds its way through the surface during volcanic eruption. The correct answer of question number 26 is A. 1 only. The earth structure is divided into crust, mantle and core. The next question is question number 27. With reference to the difference between continental and oceanic crust, consider the following statement. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and magnesium, while the oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and aluminium. The continental crust is composed mostly of granite, while the oceanic crust mostly consists of volcanic lava rock called basalt. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 27 is B. 2 only. The crust is composed of two basic rock types, granite and basalt. The continental crust is composed mostly of granite, and the oceanic crust consists of volcanic lava rock called as basalt. Basaltic rocks of the ocean plates are much denser and heavier than the granite rock of the continental plates. The next question is question number 28. In which of the following plate boundaries new crust formation takes place? Convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, transform boundaries. The correct answer of question number 28 is B. 2 only. Divergent boundaries. Divergent boundaries where a new crust is generated as the plate pull away from each other. The sides where the plates move away from each other are called spreading sides. The best known example of divergent boundary is the Mid-Atlantic ridge. At this, the American plate is separated from the American plate is separated from the Eurasian and African plates. The next question is question number 29. In the context of Indian physiography, Moldar fault separates. The correct answer of question number 29 is D. Meghalayan plateau from the peninsular plateau. The northeastern parts are separated by Moldar fault in West Bengal from the Chota Nagpur plateau, and the Moldar fault broadly separates the Meghalayan plateau from the peninsular plateau. The next question is question number 30. Which of the following weather phenomena are observed during the winter season in India? Development of high pressure in the region lying to the north of the Himalayas, the inflow of dry surface winds from Central Asia, the onset of an easterly jet stream over peninsular India. The correct answer of question number 30 is A. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 31. Consider the following statement in the context of Central Highlands or the Madhya Bharat Plateau. The general slope of the highlands towards the south and southeast, Musi river basin forms the majority part of the region. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 39 is D. Both are wrong. The next question is question number 32. Consider the following statement with reference to Indus River system. The area covered by the Indus River system is more in Pakistan than India. The basin area of river Indus lies in 3 countries. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Correct option is A. one only. The area covered by the Indus River system is more in Pakistan than India. The Indus River system, it is the largest river basin of the world, covering an area of 11,650,000 square kilometer. In India it is 321,289 square kilometer. The basin area of Indus touches 4 countries, which is China, India, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Now, the question number 33 is the last question of this video. Consider the following local winds: Sirocco, Mistral, Hooain, Chinook. Which of the winds mentioned above blow over the Mediterranean region? The correct answer of question number 33 is A, 1 and 2 only. Sirocco. This is a hot and dry, dusty wind which originates in Sahara Desert. And Mistral, it is a good cold wind rushing down the Rhone Valley in France over to the Mediterranean. Okay guys, in this lecture we have discussed up to question number 33. In the next lecture we will discuss up to question number 66. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much guys.